In the heart of the jungle, the Lion King reigns. From his perch on Pride Rock, he watches over his kingdom. Elephants trumpet, giraffes stride gracefully, and monkeys play in the trees, all under his watchful eye. His mighty roar echoes across the plains, a promise of protection and order. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow, the king stands silhouetted, the undisputed ruler of this wild paradise. In the dense rainforest, a terrified monkey screeches as a giant T-Rex snaps below. Suddenly, the Lion King emerges, roaring a challenge. After a ferocious battle, he sends the T-Rex retreating. As the other animals emerge and cheer, the king declares, "Let this be a lesson. In this jungle, we protect our own. As long as I am king, you are safe." They walked as one through the cleansing rain by the great lake.